How to change the screen color mode on Android. This tutorial shows you how to switch between different display modes to get the look that suits you best. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap Display. After that, tap Screen Mode. At this point, you'll see two options, Vivid and Natural. Vivid makes colors appear more saturated and punchy, boosting contrast and brightness for a more striking look overall. Natural keeps colors more true to life and accurate, which is better if you do a lot of photo editing or just prefer a more realistic display. From here, tap whichever mode you prefer, and it applies to your screen instantly. Following this, if you selected Vivid, you'll notice a slider underneath it labeled White Balance. Drag it left for a cooler bluish tone or right for a warmer tone, depending on what feels most comfortable to your eyes. After that, you can also tap on the Advanced Settings option below the slider to fine-tune the individual red, green, and blue color levels manually if you want more precise control over how your screen looks. Finally, all changes apply in real time as you adjust them, so you can preview everything before backing out. That's how you change the screen color mode on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.